Hi, this is Vicki with Condi Systems Tech Support. I'm in CorelDRAW and I'm going to show you how to use or choose color palettes in CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW comes with a various amount of color palettes, so there's many to choose from. So there's the CMYK, there's the Pantones, there's a whole huge selection within Corel where you can change your color palettes. We at Condi recommend using the RGB color palette because most of our profiles are calibrated using RGB colors. So I'm going to show you how to pull up the color palettes and change them at random. So I have CorelDRAW X4 already open, and how you go about this would work with all versions of Corel that we support here at Condi, and that's anything from X5 down to CorelDRAW version 9. So having a document open, now I'll show you how to add a color palette which will place it over to the right. So you're going to click on the window, you're going to scroll down to color palette, and then you're going to scroll down to RGB. And when you add the color palette, when I click it, it puts a check mark by it. It adds the RGB color palettes here. Also, you have this arrow to the left, and you can open it up and you can see all the various colors within the RGB spectrum of this color palette. So again, window, if I want to add another color palette, CMYK, as you can see, it adds the CMYK color palette also to the right of the screen. And within that, you're going to see more colors if you click the arrow at the bottom. If you want to deselect a color palette or remove it from over to the right, you would go back in and click it again. And as you notice, when I check something or deselect it, or should I say select it or deselect it, it will add or disappear and the box will close. So just go in, open it back up, go window, scroll down to color palette, and choose your color palettes here. And here's the True Match color palette, which is another color palette we use here at Condi for spot color and matching color. So again, that's how you choose color palettes within CorelDRAW, add them or remove them. And if you want them to just go away, you'd click none. But I recommend using the RGB for your ICC profiles you use here at Condi, and this is how you would go about selecting that. My name is Vicki. I'm with Condi Systems Tech Support. Thank you for your time.